Alright, my peeps. Man, I'm all shaky. So, finally, dude, today, it arrived. Just right now, man. UPS pulled up. So, it says Kulving, man. So, they sent my juicer base. But I sent them everything. Remember that big box? I don't think everything that I sent, my peeps, is in here. If it is, wow. They know how to do their Tetris. I hope. Because if they just send me the motor base, yeah. That's pretty. Ah, no bueno. No bueno, dude. I won't be able to juice, dude. And I literally waited uh, uh, a month. Yeah, a month. Wow, dude. Yeah, I'm just using one hand, my piece. I'm sorry. But, the day I shipped this out, I believe, if my memory serves me well, it was Wednesday, November 27th. Hopefully I'm right. But I gotta look at the shipping receipt. Shipping label receipt? I don't even know why I'm using this name piece. It's just what I had in hand. Ah, that should be good enough. Please, everything be in here, or else I'm gonna be pretty. Let's just say not happy, dude. But I hope they send me. Oh yes, it seems like they did. They Tetris it. Oh yes, I'm excited. Oh, yay! Merry Christmas to me. All right, dude. Cool. So yeah, it seems like everything's in here. Yeah, new juicing bowl, straining, motor base. Oh, new plug. Oh yes, 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 yes. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna pause this. All right, I'm not gonna package it. Yeah, unpack it, and I'm unpacking it and get it out. All right, I'm excited. All right, my peeps. I'm just gonna go tell my mom that my juice is finally here, man. All right. Oh, then I'll record. Oh man, finally I could juice. Yay! All right, cool, man. All right, my peeps. So let's continue unwrapping. See if they send me everything. And this mix space. Slide this over so we can lay everything out. A lot of bubble wrap. Cool. My shipping. Alright, alright. Let's see what's first. What's first? What's first? What is this? Oh. The lid. Brand new lid. Yay. Cool. Boom. Ah, juice bowl and pulp bowl. Catchment bowls. Alright, so it's two of them. Catch the juice and to catch the pulp. Yay! Alright, this is for the pulp. And this is for the juice. Alright, alright. Things are looking good. More. What else? What is this? Oh, this must be the auger. It's pretty heavy. or the screw. Yeah. New one. Alright, yay. Yep. It is the auger. Yeah. Sweet. Got that. And we got the... Oh. There's the motor base with the... With the bowl. Yeah, it's the bowl's attached to the motor base. Whew. That's it. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's here. It's attached to the motor base. So I'm gonna make my first juice, man. Finally, yes. So I'm gonna set this up. I don't know if I should, if I should. I'm thinking of where should I set up to juice. Should I set up here in the kitchen or outside? I'm gonna think about it, my peeps. All right. But yeah, it seems like I got everything. Oh, the only thing I did not, I don't seem like I got. Ah, it's like the cleaning apparatus, like the cleaning brushes. I don't see them. Yeah. All right, my peeps. It seems that either way, I'm good, or I'm gonna wrap this. All right, hold on. All right, my peeps. Sorry about that. All right. So inside here, oh man, it's beautiful. They cleaned it up, polished it. It's the same motor base, but this is new. Everything's new. Yes. All right. Got a new catchment bowl, new strainer, and then I have the little lid that goes here, so it won't spill. You won't make a mess. Mess free, spill free. Oh man, this is awesome. Yeah, it's all brand new. Yay! Shiny, brand new. Yes. I'm gonna juice. Oh my god, awesome. Alright, my peach, I'm gonna set it up. I don't know where. I'm gonna think about it, but it seems like I got everything that I need so I could juice. They replaced all the parts. Everything's brand new. Alright, let's do this.